Good morning, friends. In a 10 standards English mediums, up to 5th lessons, that is the heading of your supplementary books. Footprints without feet. You already learned that from the madam. Now I start, and I have been rendered the liabilities to teach you the remaining books. Each and every teacher and sir has different methods of learning. So likewise, I just present against you with sliding. I've seen your madam's videos also and seen that she was just explaining you through directly from the textbook. But I think that along with the books or the lessons, if needed, if I give a supported some of the slides, then it would be much helpful to you to understand the lessons better way. So likewise, I create the slides as I do in the Gujarati mediums in 11 and 12th. See now, what's the heading is there? Just start now. The making of a scientist means how the scientist is created is to be given here. That what are the situations which lead to a simple persons like you and me to become a scientist, how he or she grows the inner interest, or what are the outer sources which force him to become a scientist. Some of the points are to be given actually in all the books, means your supplementary books. Each lesson contains either two parts or three parts, means in which way two or three questions is given in each schedules, and on the basis of that questions only the explanations is given, and likewise the story is come to an end. So now here it is written about Richard E. Bright. In our first slides or in our initial informations, we have been given the informations like that he has received the Searle Scholarship Awards and Sharing Plough Awards for Biochemistry and Molecular Biology. And when we get such awards, so when we do something bigger that is helpful not only to us but to the whole human beings, then and then only you can have such an awards that is famous worldwide. So what is done at the primary age, that is given in the first stage, means two questions is given in a read and find out, and on that questions only the whole theme is going on. So how it is happens in his lives, that initial page he was work on the cell only, cell work he was work at an initial basis, but ultimately he changes to the butterflies. So how this happens, that is given only. Let's start. Just do it larger so that you can understand it better way. Read and find out. First questions. How did a book become a turning point in Richard E. Bright's life? Means somewhat a book is to be there which becomes a turning point in Richard's life. So what is that? Let's see ahead. Second, how did his mother help him? This is the most and important point to be remembered in the life. We teachers also occasionally told to our students or tell to our students that the mother is the first teacher of any child. Your progress and all your activities concerning the student's life is always on the basis of the care of your mother at an initial base. Let's see how it's happened. Richard Ebright has received the Searle Scholar Award and the Scaring Plough Award for biochemistry and molecular biology. These are the subdivision of chemistry. It's a biochemistry and molecular biology that related to our body. It was his fascinations for butterflies that opened the world of science to him and as well as to us also, that he gave plenty of knowledge. We hardly have it before he invented about that only. It was his fascinations for butterflies that opened the world of science to him, means start to get interested in the life of the butterflies. Generally, we just see whenever we go in the country yards or at the village. Most probably, most of you may be gone to the village, your natives, for a longest time in your life. So you must imagine that what are the difference, or you must have an experience what are the difference between the city life and the village life, and that is only included in these lessons. Let's see what's other happening in his life. At the age of 22, a former Scout of the Year excited the scientific world with a new theory on how cells works. So, what's the age when you start to take interest in the cells works? So, 22 is age 1. Richard H. Ebert and his college roommate explained the theory in an article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science. This is one of the division of the concerned government where a newly reforms or a new scientist is presenting their article or their new theory, means their new imaginations. So he was not alone only at the time of presenting this theory. His roommate was also one of his colleague, once a partner in creating the theory. What's happened next? Just try to understand. It was the first time this important scientific journal had ever published the work of college students. Means actually in a science journals, the prescribed scientific journals is only published. Means whatever the invention is to be done by the prescribed scientist, means the well-known scientist, but here they have published the work of college students. It means that it is immense importance, and that's why they got the chance to be published in the scientific journals. In sports, that would be like making the big leagues at the age of 15 and hitting a home run your first time at bat. Home runs is related to the baseball. Its definition is too long, that's why not explaining to you. Just suggest you that it is already given at the bottom of the page only. Home run means a player is hitting a ball from a particular place, and before the ball comes to the base, he has plenty of time to reach to his home. That is called a home run. And when your first time at bat, means the player is coming for the first time in the batting in the baseball, and it got such a beauty. League means just to explain you about that only, I just put the figure or the poster of the football. For Richard Ebright, It was the first in a long string of achievements in science and other fields. What's happened then? At a first stage only, he got many of achievements in science and other fields. And it all started with butterflies. He just started to have interested in butterflies. Why? We will just know about that only. An only child, E. Bright grew up north of Reading, Pennsylvania. It's a north side of Pennsylvania. The city's name is Reading, where E. Bright grew up, and he was the only child of his parents. There wasn't much I could do there, he said. This E. Bright is telling to us that where he grew up in his childhood, nothing was there to do much. I certainly couldn't play football or baseball with a team of one. It means very few people were that they hardly could make any, hardly have any chances to make a team to play the game. But there was one thing I could do, collect things. Means plenty of time. You just imagine of his age you are now only 14 to 15 only, then you can easily imagine if no play is there throughout the day, what will happen? You have plenty of time. And what Ibrahim has done, he has converted to be positively collect things, and collecting this lead him to be interested in butterflies. Now see, I just write, it's my method only to write the hard words along with that particular paragraphs only. Just committing one mistake, sorry, I actually show first the hard words so that you can understand it better way. Sorry, next time I will be careful about that only. First show you if any hard words is to be there. No hard words is there, but 3 pictures is to be there. See now, it must be there within the slide only. That's why I have just upload the pictures of what rocks, fossils and coins. So he did collecting things. What he was collecting, that is to be given here. And did he ever? Beginning in kindergarten, E. Bright collected butterflies with the same determination that is mark all his activities. Means in the beginning in kindergarten is a place only. He has collected many butterflies with same determinations. He also collected other things like rocks, fossils and coins. Just see here only, written here only, say Full Farm Rocks Fossil Park. Okay, here only it is given. These 3 pictures is to be there. Just enlarge it so that you can see it properly, and then we go on the description and understand it better way. This is rock only, different type of. First picture is of that only fossil pack, others are fossils only, and third one is a coin only. See here, those who are interested in coin collection can easily understand this. See now, just go on more a time on our way. He also collected rocks, fossils and coins. So along with butterflies, he also collected rocks, fossils and coins. He became an eager astronomer too, sometimes stargazing all night. So those students who have living by chance during this COVID-19 at a village, and if he or she has slept in the open yard of your house or either on the terrace at night, you must see the stargazings. What are the enjoyment of stargazing at the night in a pin drop silence of the village at night, especially after 10? Nothing would be there. You will hear even a tremoring of very joyous of many insects nearby that in the village areas. Next, from the first, he had a driving curiosity along with a bright mind. Means he was very curious from beginning only. He also had a mother who encouraged his interest in learning, and that's why only we get such a great scientist whose mother is became the pillar of fulfilling the curiosity of any child that would always grow better way in life. She took him on trips, bought him telescopes, microscopes, cameras, mounting materials and other equipment and helped him in many other way. Just think if the same is happening with you, then what would happen? Many of you would become an extraordinary doctor or an engineer or astronomers or a scientist surely to be there. She has brought everything in spite of his father's death. His mother has fulfilled all his requirement and encouraged him from beginning only. See now, she bought him everything. These are not of 5 rupees, 10 rupees or 100 rupees, in a thousands of rupees the cost is to be going on. What's happened next? Just see. I was his only companion until he started school, his mother said. Means before he grew up to 6 to 7 years and started school, his mother was the only companion. After that, I would bring home friends for him. See now, very encouraging matters it is. But at night, we just did things together. Means she became his friend only at night. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. This is the pet name. Most of the students have pet name at home, either Pappu or something like that. I was his only companion until he started school, his mother said. After that, I would bring home friends during daytime for him, but at night, we just did things together. Richie was my whole life after his father died when Richie was in 3rd grade. Means in our language, we said that when he was just in 3rd standard, his father has passed away, so his mother became his father also and fulfilled all the requirements of his life. She and her son spent almost every evening at the dining room table, and this is totally absent in our life, and that's why the students can easily go on the track of the tension. You must have the dinner and lunch together only with the family and share your all the trouble. You will never find yourself in any trouble. If he didn't have things to do, I found work for him. Must remember this. How a mother can inspire to a child to be the best one. If he didn't have things to do, I found work for him. See now, hardly to be seen in our mother. If it is so, you are the luckiest students in your life. Not physical work, but learning things. Means somewhat this or the that. He just find out one or the other work for Richie. His mother said he liked it, he wanted to learn, and whatever work is to be rendered by his mother to Richie, he just like it and do it. Why? Because he has already grown an interest inside to do new things all the day. And learn he did. He earned top grades in school, and as soon as he started learning, his grade in school also increased. Likewise, we can understand easily that on everyday things he was just like every other kid, his mother said. But in a routine work or day-to-day routine as work, he was a simple boy like other only. By the time he was in the second grade, E. Bright had collected all 25 species of butterflies found around his hometown. See following box. We are just going on the box. See now. By the time he was in second grade, means when he was just in second standard, he had collected 25 species of butterflies. Wonderful work it was there. And which type of 25 species were there? Just given, we are just going on that tables only. Species and subspecies of butterflies collected in 6 weeks in Reading, Pennsylvania. And he has collected all in Pennsylvania's readings only. Okay, within 6 months, 6 weeks only. See now how enthusiastic he was. You have just to learn the table, nothing else means. Must remember. Species and subspecies of butterflies collected in 6 weeks in Reading, Pennsylvania by Richie means Richard E. Bright. See now here against you only. I just keep it. Okay. Gossamer wing butterflies. Under that headings are coming white M hair streak, Acadian hair streak, bronze copper, bog copper, purplish copper, eastern tail blue, silver blue, and snout butterfly. Okay, you can see it better way all. That's why just minimize it. Nothing else. Okay, then just maximize it. See, first one is a heading and it's a species in a dark or bold type. Gossamer wing butterflies is a species and the subspecies is white M hair streak, Acadian hair streak, bronze copper, bog copper, purplish copper, eastern tail blue, silvery blue, and snout butterfly. Second species is wood nymphs and stars. Subspecies are eyed brown, wood nymph means grayling, monarch, under monarch or milkweed, white sand sulfurs, Olympia, European cabbage. These are the types and subtypes of all butterflies. Brush-footed butterflies. Under these species, subspecies are variegated fritillary, Harris, check spots, pearl crescent, morning clock, painted lady, buckeye, and white admiral are of two types, red spotted purple and hackberry. Okay, now you can easily understand now. That's why just do like that only. Okay. Now these are the subtype of main one. These are the main only means species 3 and under that only these are subspecies. Okay. Just go ahead. Within 6 weeks only is collected all the species of the butterflies at Reading only, Pennsylvania. That probably would have been the end of my butterfly collecting, he said. Means after this only, already the collecting of butterflies has come to an end. But then my mother got me a children's book called The Travels of Monarch X. That book, which told how monarch butterflies migrate to Central America and the world of science to the eager young collector. Now, this was the book. Actually, after collecting the species and subspecies, he just thought that now the butterfly collecting has come to an end. But at that spot only, his mother got a very good book's name, Travels of Monarch X, and he is known from the books that how that monarch butterflies had migrated from Central of America and the world of science was to the eager young collectors. Now his eagerness or his curiosity about that butterfly has increased after reading the books which his mother has brought. At the end of the book, readers were invited to help study butterfly migrations. Now, this is the most inspirable points only. If after at the end of the lesson I give you some of the homework, instead of homework, if I furnish you or render you some liabilities related to the lessons, which is not of the books but you have to find from outside, so naturally said, but naturally you would gain an interest in it. So that's happened with here. They were asked to take butterflies for research by Dr. Frederick A. Urquhart of the University of Toronto, Canada. He was a famous scientist at that time. Ebright's mother wrote to Dr. Urquhart and soon Ebright was attaching light adhesive tags to the wings of monarch. Anyone who found a tagged butterfly was asked to send the tag to Dr. Urquhart. Now this is a little bit information about how Dr. Frederick would be helpful to all those who are interested in butterflies and lives. The butterfly collecting season around Reading lasts 6 weeks in late summer. See graph below. Means now is continued. Okay. In a late summer, he has collected so many butterflies in within 6 weeks. In graph it is given only. If you are going to chase them from one by one, but to collect that which I have and which I have to collect, so it's a very difficult for such an insect. So see what he does. If you are going to chase them one by one, means if you chase one by one butterfly, it's very difficult. You won't catch very many. So what it did? So the next step for Ebright was to raise a flock of butterflies. Means he just turned to produce the butterflies itself. he would catch a female monarch, take eggs and raise them in his basement through their life cycle from egg to caterpillar to pupa to adult butterflies. What a brilliant fellow he was. See now. It was very difficult to chase one by one to get many. So what he did to have a raising of flock of butterflies, he just go and fetch a female monarch, get the eggs from that, raise them in the basement as per natural life cycle, means from egg convert to caterpillar, caterpillar convert to pupa, and from pupa to the adult butterfly. Then he would take the butterfly's wings and let them go. What was the condition of Frederick? That you have to take the butterflies, but it's very difficult to catch the butterflies to have attack to it. Then he would take the butterfly's wings and let them go. For several years his basement was home to thousands of monarchs in different stages of development. Means he did for so many years like this only. Means his interest grew along with the age or the years. Now here it is written that how many numbers of butterflies, kinds of butterflies he has collected in 6 months. Okay, but then he find that this is really a very difficult. Actually I have to do so and so that I can do a tagging very easily. How? That is given here only. See, number and kinds of butterflies collected in 6 weeks. Gossamer wing, he has collected 8. Wood knife and satyrs, he has collected just 2. Brush footed, he has collected maximum, means availability may be more about that only. Brush footed 10. Next, white sand sulfurs 3, monarch 1, and snout also 1. So this much number within 6 months he has collected to possibly to take it. Now he thought that it's very difficult to catch so many within short period of time and to take it. That's why what he did, he just go in the forest, get a female monarch, collected eggs, bring them to his basement, and he just provide all the basic necessities so as to have the natural improvement or cycle of their birth only, and like that only got. And for many years he just taking each and every butterflies. Eventually I began to lose interest in taking butterflies, but after so many years, if you do some work continuously, then but naturally you will feel tired of that work. It's tedious and there is not much feedback. Ebright said that I did too much, but if you don't get too much of feedback comparing to your work, naturally you will lose interest in it. In all the time I did it, he laughed. Means 24 hours I do the work. Only 2 butterflies I had tagged were recaptured. Means he has tagged so many butterflies for many years, but we know that their life is very short. That's why what's happened, only 2 butterflies he got, to which he has taken from where, and they were not more than 75 miles from where I lived. It means that he got the butterflies which he had taken far away from 75 miles, 5 miles from his home. This was the first portion, that how he was get interested in how his mother helped him about his life and childhood. Now second portion mean read and find out is just separate the division. Now questions are arising more a time, and from that questions only we have to go further in the story and understand. What lesson does Ebright learn when he does not win anything at a science fair? First one. Second, what experiments and projects does he then undertake? Third one, what are the qualities that go into the making of a scientist? Means how we become a scientist, that we have to learn this second portions. Okay, first one is what lesson does Ebright learn when he does not win anything at a science fair? This is the question. So either one or two slide would be furnish us the detail about what he done when you lost anything at one first or one competition. What you do? Likewise, he also did. What he did, we just see. County means region, particular area. See now, some of the pictures is not given in text, but I think that it should be furnished to you to have a better idea about the paragraphs. That's why I just put it there only. What the figure is about, just see. Then in the 7th grade, he got a hint of what real science is. Actually, what it is there. Then in the 7th grade, he got a hint of what, not water actually, what real science is when he entered a country science fair. Okay, when he was in just 7th standard, he got a chance to have a participant of a country science fair and lost. Means he participated but didn't get any prizes there. It was really a sad feeling to sit there and not get anything while everybody else had won something. Now this Ebright has said that when I first participated in a country science fair, I get nothing as a reward. So it was really sad to feel that you just sit there for so many throughout a day or 2 or 3, but at the end of that fair only you get nothing, just to sit there only. His entry was slides of frog tissues, means on which experiment he has implemented or shows that the slides of frog tissues which he showed under a microscope. He realized the winners and had tried to do real experiments, not simply make a neat display. Means now it come on the conclusion after the failure that I just not to focus on neat display only, but to make the real experiments, and he has a very vast experience of about that butterflies. So he now convert to his real way. See, this is the slide of frog tissues I was talking about. You can see it better way, just expanding it. Okay, if you got time ever when our school is going on, you can see it. Just request to your science teacher, she will show you that only. only slide is there. Just see. Already the competitive spirit that drives Richard Bright was appearing. Means now is entered into the competitive spirits. I knew that for the next year's fair I would have to do a real experiment, he said, not of others. The subject I knew most about was the insect work I had been doing in the past several years. Now come on the track that I have to do a real experiment to have the gain or to have a prize at a countryside fair. So he wrote to Dr. Urat for ideas, and back came a stack of suggestions for experiments. So he got some of the suggestions, he just write to Urat. This is a very clever trick. He didn't do anything by self only, he has a complete faith on Dr. Frederick. So he just write to him and get some suggestions, and doctor is also very helpful concerning the matter, and he just furnish many matters. Those kept Bright busy all through high school and lead to prize projects in country and international science fair. Now see the suggestions of that Dr. Fredericks has become the immense and make him famous. He got prize in the project at country as well as at international science fairs. For his 8th grade project, now in the 7th only, beginning he just lost one, but then not only he won the national, but even in international level also he got prizes. Now he entered in the 8th grade. E. Bright tried to find the cause of a viral disease that kills nearly all monarch caterpillars every few years. Now he changes vision that what are the causes of the viral disease, because he has have now immense interest in the life, and so he just try to save them. Bright thought the disease might be carried by a beetle. He tried raising caterpillars in the presence of beetles only, so that he can see easily whether the beetles are the cause of that viral disease or not. I didn't get any real result. Even after get together the beetles with the monarch, he said, but I went ahead and showed that. But till then, without goes on the track of desperation, he just go ahead. I had tried the experiment, this time I won. He just going on experiment one by the other, and then he got the result. That's why I write that this time I won. What he won? See, here it is given. The next year, his science fair project was testing the theory that viceroy butterflies copy monarch. What an interesting topic is he got. His science fair project was, what it was? Testing the theory. Which testing theory? Viceroy butterflies copy monarch. Butterflies is copying the monarch. The theory was that the viceroys look like monarch. Why? Because monarch don't taste good to birds. Means birds are likely to eat the monarch only. Viceroys, on the other hand, do taste good to birds. Mean the birds like to eat as their food to the viceroys, not to the monarch. So the more they look like monarch, the less likely they are to become a bird's dinner. So if they try their look like monarch only, there is a better chance to become a less of bird's dinner. What a natural, and naturally it's this survival's idea is to be arise by nature itself into such a, see in a Gujarati we know this monarch as a fuda, okay, we call, whose backside is just chopped, okay, whereas the viceroy is a type of a butterfly whose wings and the back is just not attached to each other, whereas the monarch's backside or backspace and the wings are almost seems to be chopped up to each other. That's why to save themselves to become the food of the bird or dinner, they just try or just copy to monarch only so that they can save self. Here it is given to that we learn now only. See, this one is first, it's a little bit. What's the difference is that upper one is a monarch and the lower one is a butterfly. You must see the difference. Just go ahead. Bride's project was to see, what was his project is there given, whether in fact birds would eat monarchs, that actually birds eat monarchs or not. He found that a starling would not eat ordinary bird food. And in his experience while observing all this, what he got as a conclusion, he found that a starling would not eat ordinary bird food. Means though he is a bird likely to eat the food which generally other birds have taken, it would eat all the monarchs it would get. Means all the type of monarchs he would like to eat. Bright said later research by other people showed that viceroys probably do copy the monarch. He was right only. Later on, other people showed, means other scientists also go on footmark of Bright, and they also proved that viceroy probably do copy of monarch. This project was placed first in the zoology division and third overall in the country science fair. So when he exhibit this in zoological division, he got the first place, but at a country science fair his project got overall third rank or third place to be said. See more a time. Here adverts is given. Starling means common European bird which nests near building and is a good mimic. Okay, we called it as a kabar. In a Gujarati we say starling means kabar. If you don't know, just for your information here you already given, it's a good mimic. So many times it's happened that he just keep out a male voice of any other birds to attract the female, but when the female come near to it, they realize that we made fool by the starling. It's happened so many times, but to see that you have to go in a forest only, hardly to be seen here where we are living. See now, next. In his second year in high school, Richard Bright began the research that led to his discovery of an unknown insect hormone. Now, when he was in a second year in just high school level, he just tried another research, but that led him to very important but unknown insect hormones. Indirectly, it also led to his new theory on the life of cells that at a former stage he was doing, but now he come on the track very right way. Actually, this is called to be a byproduct. He was actually experimenting on the butterflies, monarch and butterfly only, but that led him to very important unknown insect hormone only. The question he tried to answer was simple. To these connections, he tried to give some answers. What it was? What is the purpose of the 12 teeny gold spot on a monarch pupa in a lifestyle? This is the third stage only after egg. One condition is to be there is reaches up to a particular means caterpillar. Then from caterpillar it convert into pupa, and from pupa it convert into that butterflies or monarch. So there are particular only 12 and 12 teeny gold spot is there on monarch. So he just empathize on this spot, that why this 12 only and why during this pupa only, and that led and give us a very intelligent information in the future. First see the hard words only. Entomology means the study of insects. Okay, here given the lifestyle. What it gives means which part in these slides we will going to learn about this only. What? Monarch, genome and migrations. Okay, how it migrate from one place to another and which part is used for what purpose is here given only, and that's why I taken the figure here. It would be very helpful to you. And see here I just skip. If you can't see in the slide only, when you got this, at that time just kept open your textbook and from that only read the paragraphs. You will easily understand that in which meaning I just kept here the figures. Okay, just go on. Everyone assumed the spot were just ornamental, Ebright said. Now what Ebright is saying, that before me everyone just assumed like that only, that the spots were just ornamental ones. It's a but natural and design only, nothing else. But Dr. Urad didn't believe it. Okay, that's why. Now he got inspiration from his guru. To find the answer, Bright and another excellent science students first had to build a device that showed that. So he just go on their imagination and got this what? That not only Bright but another excellent science students who was his colleague, they have built a device. What that showed to us? That the spots were producing a hormone necessary for the butterfly's full development. Okay, from pupa only. See now in life cycle we just learned before 3 slides that the butterflies is, or the monarch is converted from the pupa. So these are the hormones, these are the spots during the pupa's lifestyle pupa, that it contains such a hormone that it is very necessary for butterflies full development. This project won bright first place in the country fair and entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. Now this project when bright has presented in the country fair, he not only won the prizes there but also got entry at an international science and engineering fair. There also he won third place for zoology department. There he won third place for zoology at an international level. If you got third, that is an immense or over imagination. He also got a chance to work during the summer at the entomology laboratory of the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. Now another chance he got at the Army Institute of Research, that is known as Walter Reed, and it is one type of entomology laboratory, and whatever the basic requirement is to be there to do any experiments you can easily get that. That's why he got the chance even to get there also. Only one experiment, that the pupa has that 12 golden spot that producing a hormone which is necessary for the butter's full development, has got him won the first place in country fair, got entry in the international science fair and engineering fair, won third place in the zoology, and even got a chance to work during the summer only at entomology laboratory of the Walter Reed Army Institute of Research. As a high school junior, now he entered into high school and become a junior. Richard Bright continued his advanced experiments on the monarch pupa. He already got first prize at a national level, got a third at an international level, got chance to do experiments at a army laboratory. Then also he continued to do experiments on monarch pupa. That year his project won first place. Then not that. Then his project won first place at the International Science Fair. Now when next International Science Fair was conducted, his project now got the first place and gave him another chance to work in the army laboratory during the summer. Means it's a collaboration only, that those who got first, second and third rank at an international level, they can have the chance to do the experiments at the army laboratory. So now next year his project won the first place in the same, means in the zoology department. So now more time he got the chance to do the experiments at the army laboratory. In his senior year now, at a school level, he went to a step further in the same. He grew cells from a monarch wings in a culture, means in a natural way. What is he? This is not a simple matter, extraordinary. He grew cells from a monarch wings, means in outer side, not in the body of pupa, in a culture way, means in a culture only, and showed that the cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spot. Very important discovery it was there. What it do? He grew cells from a monarch wings in a cultural way, and then he proved that cells would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales when only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spot. It means that the conversion of the butterfly is from pupa only, but the wings can then and then only can be grown when the pupa got the hormone from that brown spot only or the gold spot. That project won the first prize for zoology at the international fair, now third time. He spent the summer after graduation doing further work at the army laboratory. Now his graduation is finished, so he spent most of his summer after graduation for the further work at army laboratory only, and at the laboratory of the US Department of Agriculture, because he now became very famous scientist. The following summer, after his freshman year at Harvard University, means when he got the admissions, freshman means first year students of any university, Bright went back to the laboratory of the Department of Agriculture. Means in the following summer when he got the vacation, after finishing the first year at Harvard University, he went back to the laboratory of Department of Agriculture and did more work on the hormone from the gold spot. Means whatever invention is did, he do more work on the same. Using the laboratory's sophisticated instruments, he was able to identify the hormone's chemical structure. Now, up till now, he was just using the hormones only and doing experiments and proving that for what and what purpose, or so and so purpose it's done or useful for the butterfly. Now we go ahead and try to identify the hormones chemicals, that what are the chemical structure in this gold spot that can be helpful to grow our wings on butterfly's body. A year and a half year later, means continuously just going on experiments, and after 1.5 years during his junior year, Bright got the idea for his new theory about cell life, and what is actually the cell formation of that gold spot in pupa. It came while he was looking at X-ray photos of the chemical structure of a hormone. Means during his experiments he was looking at the X-ray photos. Actually he was doing the experiments on cell life, but while he was observing the X-ray photos of that only, he come to naturally by accidentally come to the view of the chemical structure of a hormone. We see the some photos of that only. Eureka, actually spoken by the addition only. A cry triumph discovery by Thomas Alva Edison, we know the story about that only, that to find the filament of a lamp, he tried so many times, and when once he was taking a bath nude, he got the idea immediately, and he was so enthusiastic or so thrilled of that idea that he just come out nudely without any clothes and ran to the streets. Eureka, Eureka, I was speaking like that only, means I got. Okay, it's a cry of a win. When he showed when he showed those photos, Bright didn't shout Eureka or even I have got it. But this is a wise fellow, very intelligent fellow, didn't feel any thrilling. But what he did? But he believed that along with his findings about insect hormone, the photos gave him the answer to one of biology's puzzles. Means one puzzle was there at that time, he got the puzzle solutions or answer from that photos only. What was the question was that how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. That what's the DNA, how the cell can read that my DNA is so and so. DNA is the substance in the nucleus of a cell, that we know now better, that in a cell of a nucleus we know that DNA is there, and each and every person has a particular DNA formation as per their parents only. That controls heredity, means our existence is totally upon that DNA only. It determines the forms and function of the cell, and whatever the formation of the DNA, as per the formation of DNA only, our formation and function, our cells form and function is to be there. Thus, DNA is the blueprint for life, we can say. Bright and his college roommate James R. Wong work all that night drawing pictures and constructing plastic models of molecules to show. What to show? Just see. First, just explain this half a sentence. Understood first this only. Bright and his college roommate James W. Wong, these two together, what they work, that throughout the night they drawing the pictures of all these X-rays, and then constructs from with the help of that photograph. They have constructed plastic models of all these molecules. Why? To show how it could happen, that why the DNA is created like this. Together they later wrote the paper that explained the theory. All the scientists either single or jointly do like this only. They just got the experiments, doing experiments, have the photographs, collected them, make some of the drawings and pictures, then come to the conclusion and give us the complete theory. Surprising no one who knew him. Means those who people know Bright and Wong, they have no surprise at all for this detailed theory. Richard Bright graduated from Harvard with highest honors. but naturally it would be that from the beginning or from the very age, the kids who from his very age just tried to get collected coins and so many things and even got so many prizes at a school level and college level, naturally would get can do so many things. Second in his class of 1510. Why always no any surprising? Because out of 1510 students, he got second stand at the Harvard with highest honor. Bright went on to become a graduate student researcher at Harvard Medical School. Now he just remained a student only even after become a graduate. There he began doing experiment to test his theory. First he write the whole theory on his imagination and experiment. Now he just try to do more experiment on basis of this only. If the theory proves correct, it will be a big step towards understanding the process of life of the human being even, not only a butterfly. It might also lead to new ideas for preventing some types of cancer and other diseases. Now you can understand now that how important the DNA theory was, because it would be helpful to prevent some types of cancers and other diseases too. All of this is possible because of Bright's scientific curiosity. His high school research into the purpose of the spot on a monarch pupa eventually led him to his theory about cell life. He just started his life from a very small insect called to be a monarch or a butterfly. He was researching actually on the gold spot on life cycles, one stage that is called pupa, but that lead him to the theory about cell life. Hard words, very few hard words is to be there, especially for the English medium students. Canoeist, a person who paddles or a light boat. Richard Bright has been interested in science since he first began collecting butterflies, but not so deeply that he hasn't time for other interest. At an initial base, he is collecting just butterflies only, nothing else. But at that time, he has no time to do other activities because most of the time was passed on collecting this all. And as we know earlier, that he was not collecting only this, but he was collecting other things also like fossils, fuels, and coins too. Bright also became a champion debater and public speaker and a good canoeist and all around outdoors person. Now, not only as interested and because of actually to say because of his interest of collecting things, he has to just wander in the nature. So nature has given him so many contact of the people, and likewise the knowledge of that people he gained, and as a result he became a champion debater. Even the people connection make him a good public speaker, even a good canoeist also. We just say good paddleist and all round outdoor person. He was already there because he was a collector only, means was collecting things, and to collecting the things of butterflies and like that only you have to wander outside. So what natural, he or she became all rounder. He is also an expert photographer, particularly of nature and scientific exhibits. That from what angles should I take the photograph to get the best result? In high school, Richard Bright was a student. Up to school level, he was a straight level student only because learning was easy. He turned a lot of his energy towards the debating and model United Nations Club. Why he was as a student what he did? Nothing else, straightforward a student only, because he has to spend most of his energy in a debating and in creating model United Nations Club. He also found someone to admire, Richard A. Wearer. He was one of the admirer. He is a social studies teacher and advisor to both clubs, means to, to the club to which he was connected. Mr. Wearer was the perfect person for me then, means he was guiding to him at a right way. He opened my mind to new ideas, and from that only, once you got a proper preacher said to be a guru, your life path will go on very easily. Richard would always give the extra effort. Mr. Wearer said, what pleased me was, means his preacher is just said that Richard is always give extra effort. That is applied to us also, that whatever we learn to you, if you try by self, other than simple means in a extra way, that can give you a easy way of learning. What pleased to me was, here was this person who put in 3 or 4 hours at night doing debate research besides doing all his research with butterflies and his other interests. Very interesting matters. What the preacher is saying about the student only, that how his curiosity, how curious he was, that he just do extra effort. How and what pleased to him about is, that is say that 3 or 4 hours at night he was doing debate research, that how to explain the other person about his experiments. He was just debate on that only, and not by self only, but he was just research on that debate also. And this was besides his research on butterflies and other interests. Richard was competitive. You must be like that only. Mr. Wearer continued, but not in a bad sense, means not madly. He explained, Richard wasn't interested in winning for winning's sake or winning to get a prize. Best thing to be remembered in a life as a student for you, that you must try to do anything, means you must try to keep out the best of best within you only, but never aiming to winning anything or to get the prize only. Rather, he was winning because he wanted to do the best job you could. Means you must try to get your best to get the best result ever. The prizes would be there only itself. It means that you must not try to get or try to learn the best way to have the prize only, but try level your best to gain the best, and that best gaining automatically will lead you to have the best prize only. For the right reasons you want to be the best. See now, this is the best line in the whole story. For the right reasons you want to be the best, we must go on his pathway. And that is one of the ingredients in the making of a scientist. The last line of the last slide. The right way to do the thing in the right way, putting your best for gaining the best. These are the ingredients to making of a scientist or to becoming a well-known person in the society. Start with the first-rate mind. Add curiosity. First-rate mind means have your full attention to what you want to become. Add curiosity and mix in the will to win for the right reasons. Bright as these all qualities from the time the book The Travels of Monarch X opened the world of science to him. Richard Bright has never lost his scientific curiosity. So once you got any link of your interest, you must never delink the link. Just add your curiosity, get the in from get the help of the concerned people, even try to read as many as books related to that and go on the same path. I think that you will get what you want in your life. Thank you. Teacher has explained you even the question answers also, but I think that the way I explain you, and just think that questions and answers at the end of any lesson is nothing but a practice for you only. If I explain the lesson to you and then question answer also, that is nothing but a ready-made. You have to make the answer of the question by self only onwards. I have already explained you hard words given along with the slides only. So I think you would understand it better way. If have any of the problem regarding the explaining, you can consult me, Nilesh Patel. Science and science is to be taken. Your science is taught to you by Nilesh Sir Jani. Myself is a Nilesh Bhai Patel. So just contact me and onwards you will write down the answers in your book. Send me the answer. If any mistake is to be there, I will correct it and send it back to you. Thank you.